Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I recently upgraded to Windows 11 Insider build 22000.71 from build 22000.65. I didn't like one thing in this build. I will discuss that with you in this video. But before doing that, let me show you my Windows 11 version and open the changelog for this version. The biggest and best change what Microsoft did in this build is introducing the entertainment widget. You can read about this widget in this page. Let's try to add entertainment widget in the widget panel. After opening the widget panel, when I click the add widget button, I see that here is no entertainment widget available to add. This widget is not showing there because it is released only for few countries. These countries are USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, France, Australia and Japan. I am unable to understand why Microsoft did not release it for rest of the countries. I really didn't like this decision of Microsoft. This is a good widget and must be available for everyone ASAP. Now let's quickly see the few more changes incorporated in this build. Now acrylic material is used in context menus and right-click menus. It will add transparency in the menus. Let's switch to dark theme so that we can observe transparency in a better way. The transparency in the menu is clearly visible in the dark theme. There is another change which Microsoft is testing, and that is usability of a split button for making new folders and files in the File Explorer command bar. Let's open File Explorer and see this change. In previous builds the new folder option was not available upfront. Another change is taskbar preview. On mouse over of opened apps in taskbar you will see a mini-sized preview of that window. In addition to these changes, there are many bug fixes too. You can see this list in this blog. The link of blog is in the video description.